Hello, welcome to another episode of With the Easy. Today we'll talk about deconvoluting mixture XRD data. So a bit about the context here. XRD stands for X-ray diffraction. In one of the recent episodes or in one of the recent posts at DV4C GitHub, as shown on the left side, we talk about XRD data. And in one of the example, we actually talk about given two XRD trace of known samples, let's say sample A and B here, we can actually um, deconvolute a mixture of AB mixture sample. Let's say in this example, we have a AB mixture at 60-40%, respectively. We can actually using the sample A and sample B data to deconvolute this into a fitted AB ratio. And as shown here, this fitted ratio is actually fairly close to the ground truth of how the percentages we use to construct this data here. And in today's episode, I want to show you how you can actually use ChatGPT to guide you through all that. And as we always do, I want to show you a little bit about where the raw data is. And today we will use, oops, sorry. Today we'll use this XRD data.csv file under the XRD data directory of the DB4C repo. And if you click open that, you will see, it will show you some of the set rows of data frame. So we'll start from there. And as always, we'll use ChatGPT to hopefully guide us through this specific analysis. So let's jump right in. I'll first read in the data frame or the CSV file that we downloaded right now. And once we have done that, we'll take a look at its data structure, which already see the column has here, but we want to understand how many samples we have there. And with that, we can then post a question to ChatGPT and see what kind of code we get from the AI tool. So let's jump right in. All right, so from the right side, we can tell that in the data frame that we're reading, which is also got a preview on the left side on GitHub, we actually have three individual values for the sample. So there's a sample A, there's a sample B, there's also a mixture sample. So it is then pretty clear that the sample A rows represents the XRD data we saw here that for pure sample A, similar logic for sample B here, and the mixture will be the gray trace we saw here. And the goal for our analysis today is given the three sample data, we try to reconstruct what's the AB ratios in that sample. So then let's give this problem to ChatGPT. Okay, now we verbally describe the analysis task to ChatGPT and see whether he can generate any helpful results. Okay, here's the answer provided by ChatGPT. Let's copy that in and see whether we can get anything useful out of this. All right, so we did successfully predict the estimated portion of A and B. So A as 58%, that's 0.58, B as 42%. If we compare that with the result here, that's exactly the same value we got right here. And we can ask ChatGPT to increase the decimal points as a follow-up. And we can also try to reconstitute our plot here. So let's do that. Okay, we asked ChatGPT to show a decimal points of 3. We also asked ChatGPT to help us to generate the plots, where the top one will be the raw or the original mixture data, and the bottom one will be the weighted overlay of sample A and sample B. Let's copy this. And first of all, the mixing ratio now is pretty similar to what we got here with 3 decimal points. That's actually exactly matching what we saw here. The plot is pretty much also similar to what we have here. Albeit for the bottom plots, I also show the fitted mixture, which kind of make this plot a little bit hard to see because if I zoom in a little bit, hopefully I can do that. Yeah. The sample A and the sample B have like individuals gonna have strong overlapping with the fitted mixture. So I'll ask ChatGPT to remove the fitted mixture from the bottom plot so that we get a exact replicate of what we have here. All right, well, you copy the code here, and this is a new plot we get. Obviously, you can ask ChatGPT to change from dashed line to solid line as we have here, but as you can tell, the result is pretty much the same from the left original plot that we're trying to replicate to the right side. So that will conclude our session today. And if you like this video, please press the like button. If you have any questions, comments, leave that in the comment area. And I will also really appreciate if you share this video to your friends who might also be interested in the same topic. With that, I'd like to thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next episode.